Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. As you can see, we got mostly cloudy today. So here's the grid tied solar panels. All my wind generators are down. There they are right there. I got them on the yard post. They need to be repaired soon. But if you're new to my channel, please go ahead, subscribe, click that little bell, and you'll be notified of all the next coming videos. Right now I'm doing shout outs. Pretty much all of my videos here this month, I'm doing shout outs to my greatest supporters. And here we go. Again, Yankees Outdoor Adventures. He's got a lot of community members out there that are really great for my channel. And hikers, outdoors people, campers, people from all over the place, all over the world, bushcraft, stuff like that. Yankees Outdoor Adventures. Then we got Rocky and Derek Show. They're pretty cool. Frugal Farmer and Ontario Semi-Off-Grid. He's got some lithium-ion batteries, and he got a printer so he can make the plastic holders for those little batteries. So he's going to make a whole bunch of kits so he can start making his own battery kits. So he has a lot of battery storage for all the electricity he's making for his solar. Technetic Beats. They make their own music. And this music is available so that you can get his music onto your videos if you wish to. And then there's Tranquil Geo. If you want to listen to soothing outdoors stuff, snowflakes falling, waterfall out in the middle of the woods, stuff like that. Roger Gaylord, Ms. Cat Mac, and JW Solar. JW Solar has all kinds of solar stuff. He's got all the big equipment, like the charge controllers and such. So it's all professional stuff. This guy is amazing. He's got a pretty cool accent. So I'm going to sum it up right here. I got a lot of things going on. I did get 300 subscribers over the last 30 days. So I haven't been able to get out to you guys' videos, but you have been posting on my videos, and I thank you. And I'm going to keep on doing what I'm doing right here and now, doing shout outs to everybody out there that's supporting my channel, because you need more subscribers, and we'll help each other to grow. This is what I want to do. And I have 2 more channels I want to build this year. So let's help each other out, and we'll continue to grow. And thank each and every single one of you out there. Thank you for helping me to grow. Thank you, thank you. And have a nice sunny day.